In the process of PCBA production, have you ever encountered product errors, rework, scrape and other bad situations? These situations often lead to a series of serious problems such as increasing customer production costs and reducing production efficiency. Do you know how to prevent these situations as much as possible? PC Basic has summarized a set of technical processes for PCBA processing quality control, namely PCBA First Article Inspection. Let's introduce the relevant contents of the first article inspection to you today. First of all, let's take some anti-static measures to enter our workshop together. Here is the location of our first inspection. The instrument in front of us is the first inspection instrument independently developed by our company. Its system can automatically switch the test gear, automatically read the value and compare it with the BOM, and automatically determine pass or NG. So, what is the role of first article inspection? The first article inspector can find many problems, such as the material tray does not match the station, feeding or formula error, systematic reasons such as position, polarity, color, size, positive and negative poles, angle error of components exist, so as to take corrective or improvement measures to prevent the occurrence of batch non-conforming products. In short, the first article inspection can control the production process of the product in advance and avoid increasing the workload. It is an important method of product process quality control. This is the end of this video. Follow me and take you to learn more about PCBA.